Hello all, welcome to Rapid Flow Knowledge Center. This is Rajendra Kumar, HCM Principal Consultant from Rapid Flow. In this session, we are going to see contemporary functionality, which is search and manage candidate functionality from Oracle Cloud Recruitment Module. This is today's agenda. In this session, we are going to cover candidate search functionality, filter conditions, add candidate to the requisition, add candidate to candidate pool, add interaction with a candidate, send a message to candidate. This is going to be application login page where you have to enter URL, user ID, password, and you can sign in. Upon your sign in, you are going to land in home page where you have a My Client Group icon and hiring icon. Once you click on hiring icon, you will come to candidate search page where you have show filter option where you can search by many filter conditions and you can perform actions. There are many filter conditions available in Oracle Cloud Recruitment Module. You can filter by candidate, you can filter by location, filter by pool, filter by language, filter by license, filter by job, filter by degree, and many more. There are many more filter conditions available for candidate search. On top of that, you have actions available here. You can perform actions against a candidate, which are you can add to job requisition, add to candidate pool, add a new interaction, you can send a message to candidate. Let us go into the system and see how this functionality will work. I am going to log into system. This is login page. Enter your user ID, password, and click on sign in. Here you have something called My Client Group. So this is your home page. Once you landed to home page, click on My Client Group and hiring icon. System will take you to hiring work area. Click on candidate search. Here I have around 500 candidates. It will be very tough to filter my candidates if I can do it manually. That is the reason we have a filter condition here. Click on show more filters. You will be getting multiple options to filter your candidates. You can filter by your candidates, by basic information, by location, by source, by pool, language, license, degree, and many more filter conditions are exist. Based on these filter conditions, you can search. Now in this example, we can search our candidate by location name. Now I wanted to search these candidates by Redwood City and Chicago. Let us see. See in right hand side, you can see candidates by only who are from Redwood City and Chicago. If you wanted to add any other conditions like their degree, you can add their education also. You can search candidate by their education as well. In this example, I am taking a bachelor degree candidate. You can see now with two conditions, a candidate from Redwood City and bachelor degree condition. So this is how you can search candidate by many filter conditions. Now you can see the count. Earlier it was 500. Now with this filter condition it came to 125. So based on your filter conditions you can search. Now next, how we are going to perform actions against a candidate. Click on a candidate and go to the action toolbar. You have various actions. Now I am going to perform an action which is add to requisition. Now I have selected a candidate. Now I am going to add this candidate to a requisition. Click on add to requisition. It is taking to the requisition place. Click on any requisition and save and close. Now this candidate is going to be available under particular job requisition. Now you can see the message, confirmation message. If you can go back to your requisition and click on that requisition, so you will be getting that person under the requisition. Now you can see this applicant under your requisition. So this is how we can add a person into your requisition. Now we can go back to another functionality where we can select our candidate and perform next action. Go to the same candidate search area. So you will be knowing the candidates, whatever we have candidates here. Click on one person, go to the actions and Add to a candidate pool. Now we are going to add this person into a pool. So you have pools here. Now I wanted to add this person into HCM candidate pool. Select your candidate pool, save and close. If you go and see your pool, this person will be available under your pool. Go back to your candidate pool. Now click on HCM candidate pool. You will be having that person into your candidate pool. This is how we can move a candidate into your candidate pool. Now go back to your system, again search page, go to the actions again, click on another action, select a person, click on another action, which is add an interaction. Now you can initiate interaction with a person. If a person is completed a second round of interview, if you wanted to call him for another round, you can send an email, select the type. You have various types here. You can call for a person meeting, you can send a message, you can send an email. In this case I am taking an email. Kindly attend final round of interview. This is how you are going to initiate an interaction. So this candidate will be getting an email so that he will be responding to the corresponding email. If you wanted to perform another action, go back to the actions page, and here you have something called send a message. You have an option to send a message also. Already we have a registered email ID of that person. Click on continue, and what message you are going to send. Do you have any template or you want to select from a blank message? I am selecting a blank message here. Click on continue. Here you can send by various tokens. You can send to an email. You can maybe send to his phone. As per your requirement, you can do that. And subject, you can write any subject based on your requirement. Final round of an interview. You can include your text here. Likewise, you can send a content message. If you want to send any SMS text also, you can write that SMS text and you can send it to the candidate. So candidate will be communicated accordingly. You can continue, and you can preview the message also. Whatever you wrote, you can see this and you can send. So this is how Oracle recruitment system. You can search a candidate, you can perform actions against a candidate. Thank you so much for watching this video.